Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to cook a garlic white wine baked fish recipe. Let's get cooking. First up, let's chop 3 cloves of garlic. And prepare a 1/3 cup of white wine. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add chopped garlic. Add salt, black pepper, and lemon juice. Add white wine. And 1 tablespoon of thyme or capers. For the full recipe, you can check it on description box below. Mix them well and set aside for a while. Now, take out 200 grams of fish fillet or Barramundi fish fillet and lay it in a single layer in a medium baking dish. Sprinkle a pinch of salt on it. Then pour the sauce over fish. Spoon the sauce on top of the fish. Make sure that it's evenly coated. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 190 degrees Celsius. Bake at 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Until the fish is bright white opaque and easy flakes with a fork. Serve immediately with a drizzle of sauce from the pan and fresh lemon wedges. What should we cook next time? Please comment it below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.